Heights and underwater expeditions don't make one a daredevil. Visiting some of the most dangerous places in the world is what gives you the title. Today I have something to share with you. It is all about the 5 most dangerous tourist place in the world. Have you ever heard about this? Well, let's talk about that, but before we start, if you have interest in this kind of topic, please click subscribe and hit the bell notification to keep you updated on my uploaded videos. Let's get started. Number 5, Saint-Michel-des-Gilles in France. Another perilous church setting which requires you to make the climb is the popular Saint-Michel-des-Gilles in France. Perched on a volcanic plug about 280 feet tall, the fascinating little pilgrimage comes with many rocky needle formations, making a tourist's climb more dramatic and challenging. Reaching the top might not be everyone's cup of tea. Number 4, Meteora in Greece. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Having said that, just a bird's eye view of Meteora in Greece should convince you of the dangers that come with the place. The UNESCO World Heritage Site in Greece is a holy place which has vast complex giant rock pillars and monasteries. So what makes the place one of the most dangerous tourist destinations? The surreal landscape which is right on the edge of a cliff should make the cut for a life-threatening travel endeavor. Can you be careful enough to visit the place? Number 3, Death Road in North Youngers Road. There's a very sound reason behind naming this twisted path in the Amazon rainforest as the Death Road. The North Youngers Road or Death Road is a very tricky and dangerous place to visit as it comes with unprecedented climatic conditions that affect the accessibility. It has been recorded that about 300 drivers up until 1994 succumbed to the place's twisted paths and extreme fog, waterfalls, landslides and falling off cliffs. The hairpin turns are super risky and life-threatening. Number 2, Snake Island in Brazil. About 25 miles off the coast of Brazil lies this popular island called Snake Island. Did you know that Snake Island has been declared illegal by the Brazilian government, owing to the lifeless fishermen returning on boats, drowned in a pool of blood? It is believed that the deadliest serpent in the world, the golden lancehead snakes, reside on this island and even own it, in a way. Number 1, Oymyakon in Russia. Russia's winters are no laughing matter. The extreme temperatures of the place have been known to leave many die of frost bites and terrible climatic conditions. Oymyakon is one such place in Russia which is even deemed the most dangerous place to visit in the world, owing to its unimaginable climatic conditions. Staying here is a risk not worth taking as the bitter cold would leave you uncomfortable or even make it difficult to survive. Not to mention the lack of food with zero vegetation is just too unfavorable. I hope you enjoy this video as much I've enjoyed making and sharing it. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button to receive more like this in the future. Thank you for watching.